In this episode I want to share with you the highlight of the coral scene mural that I did. It's a part of this sea landscape. Was part of the design of a bedroom project. One side of the room was, as you can see, the wave, and the other side was underwater scene. I positioned that parrot fish somewhere near the floor, somewhere low, where the background of the colors of the corals was like pale and barely saturated in the shades of the upper ones, basically in the shadow, so there might be a greater contrast, because the parrot fish is one among the most colorful fishes in the ocean, and it's super sympathetic. It's one of my favorite. Well, there is variety of parrot fishes. However, they all share that super colorful and vivid coloration, and also the colors that they are designed with are like super complementing each other. Now, something interesting about the parrot fishes is like they're known for their jaws, or should I call it beak. It's like a real parrot, like the beak of the birds. They have this material that the jaws of the parrot fish are built from, are among of the hardest biological structures known to the scientists. They're harder than the copper, they're harder than brass and other metals, and they are easily cutting through corals. The parrotfishes actually are eating corals. The white coral beaches that we know and really enjoy are actually a result of them processing the algae in the corals. They poop sand. So that's it. There was just one space left in that coral landscape, and it is this place over here, and I kept it for the octopus. So stay tuned for the next time. I'm going to share with you my second focal point or highlight of the mural, and it is this friend over here. Can't wait to share that one with you too. Bye bye, see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe.